Yo, welcome back to iFi Nova, the channel where AI meets creativity and real life. Today, I'm going to show you 5 mind-blowing AI tools you probably didn't know existed. And trust me, some of these will make you feel like you're living in the future. Stick around till the end because the last tool, it's straight up magical and could change how you handle daily tasks forever. Let's dive in. Ever wished someone could keep you focused and actually help you finish tasks on time? AI study assistants like Focusmate, Forest AI, or personalized AI planners can block distractions, create schedules, and monitor your productivity. Imagine your AI telling you, focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break, and actually helping you stick to it. All right, now that your brain is fully optimized, let's talk about creativity. Because AI isn't just about productivity. Stuck on a story, essay, or even just a social media caption, AI can literally write it for you. Tools like ChatGPT, Pseudo-Write, and Jasper AI can generate essays, stories, scripts, and captions in seconds. I typed a single sentence, and the AI created a full sci-fi scene with dialogue and world building. No joke, it's like having a mini author in your pocket. So now you have your ideas and content ready, but what about visual creation? That's next. Ever imagined your words turning into images or videos instantly? That's exactly what AI can do. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Pika Labs convert text prompts into stunning visuals or short videos. I typed, futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, and the AI generated a scene so real, it felt like a screenshot from a movie. Now that your visuals are ready, how about automating tasks that normally waste hours? Let's go there. Your AI can literally organize your life for you, like a supercharged personal assistant. Tools like Notion AI, Motion AI, or virtual assistants can handle emails, schedules, reminders, and even content planning. I asked my AI assistant to plan my week, and it organized tasks, set priorities, and even suggested the best times to focus or take breaks. Okay, so productivity and creativity are sorted. But what if I told you, A, I could also manage your learning and knowledge growth? Imagine having an AI tutor that knows everything you need to learn and tailors lessons to you. AI tools like Elicit, Perplexity AI, and Quizlet A. I can summarize articles, generate quizzes, and explain concepts in simple ways. I uploaded a 20-page research paper, and the AI summarized it into key points, and even made a quick quiz so I could test my understanding. It's like having a private tutor 24/7. So when you combine focus, writing, visuals, task management, and learning, AI literally becomes your ultimate life assistant. So there you have it. 5 AI tools you didn't know existed that can boost productivity, creativity, and learning in ways you never imagined. If you're ready to level up with AI, hit that like button, subscribe to AI Nova, and turn on notifications for more futuristic AI hacks. Catch you in the next one.